Imagine this. Your alarm goes off, you hit snooze. Again and again. It's not just about sleep, it's deeper. Getting up feels heavy. Facing the day feels harder. Maybe you're tired, yes, but this is different. This is a weariness of the soul, a lack of enthusiasm for the gifts of a new day. This, my friend, is the shadow of sloth. Sloth isn't always lying around. It can hide behind busyness, even success, but it leaves a trail, a lack of joy, a postponed dream, a quiet settling for good enough. Don't ignore the quiet drain. You were made for more. We think of sloth as laziness, but it's more than that. It's a spiritual apathy, a slow dimming of the inner fire. It's choosing comfort over courage, ease over effort, stagnation over growth. Proverbs tells us, "The soul of the lazy man desires and has nothing, but the soul of the diligent shall be made rich." Sloth whispers that we don't need to try, that we're not capable, that it's easier to stay numb. But God calls us to life, to abundance, to the fullness He has planned for us. Don't believe the lie. You are capable of amazing things. Sloth doesn't announce itself. It creeps in slowly, making its home in the empty spaces where passion and purpose should reside. It tells us to sit back, relax, let someone else handle it. But a heart untouched by passion soon grows cold. A life void of purpose feels meaningless. Like a garden left untended, our souls become overgrown with weeds of indifference and apathy. God didn't create us for emptiness. He formed us with unique gifts and placed within each of us a burning desire to make a difference. Don't let sloth extinguish that flame. You have something precious to offer the world. Remember the parable of the talents? The servant who buried his talent wasn't lazy, he was afraid. He let fear paralyze him, choosing safety over stewardship. This is the heart of sloth, burying our potential, because we doubt, we fear, we feel inadequate. The master in the parable didn't condemn laziness, but the wasted potential, the unused gifts. He expected his servants to invest what they were given. God has entrusted each of us with unique gifts and talents. He longs for us to use them, to multiply them, to make a difference in the world. Don't bury your treasure. Unearth it, invest it, watch it grow. Why do we fall prey to sloth? Well, it's often a symptom, not really the disease itself. Exhaustion, burnout, past hurts, and even the fear of failure, these can all, lead us to the doorstep of spiritual apathy. We become weary of trying, of hoping, of putting ourselves out there. So, we retreat. We withdraw. We tell ourselves we're content, when deep down we ache for something more. Don't judge yourself for feeling weary. Just acknowledge the hurt, the exhaustion, the fear. But don't let them define you. God's grace is sufficient, and His strength is made perfect in our weakness. He will meet you right where you are and renew you. The modern world is honestly a master at feeding sloth. Endless entertainment, instant gratification, the constant hum of digital distraction. It's just so easy to fill our days with noise and busyness, while our souls remain, kind of malnourished. We scroll, we click, we consume, but are we truly living? Are we building anything meaningful, or are we simply existing in a perpetual cycle of instant gratification? Hebrews chapter 6 verse 12 warns us, "We do not want you to become lazy, but to imitate those who, through faith and patience, inherit what has been promised." Don't let the siren song of instant gratification drown out the whispers of your soul. There's more to life than this. Fighting sloth begins with a single step. It's a choice to wake up a little earlier, to move your body, to spend a few moments in quiet reflection with God. It's about choosing intention over inertia, purpose over passivity. Don't wait for a grand sign or a burst of motivation. Start small. Just choose one thing today to nourish your soul, to ignite your passion, to remind you of the life that's waiting to be lived. You were created for more than survival. You were created to thrive, to love, to laugh, to create, to leave your mark on the world. Don't let sloth steal your potential. Rise up and embrace the life you were meant to live. What small step can you take today? Could it be waking up 15 minutes earlier to pray and read your Bible? Maybe it's taking a walk in nature, feeling the sun on your face, and just thanking God for His creation. Perhaps it's finally starting that project you've been putting off, having that difficult conversation, or simply reaching out to a friend who needs encouragement. Don't underestimate the power of small steps. Every journey begins with a single step, and each step, no matter how small, takes you closer to the life God has planned for you. Choose to move forward one step at a time. Comfort is a tempting trap, but true freedom lies in embracing our calling. It's time to stop hitting the snooze button on our dreams, our passions, our God-given potential. The world needs your light. It needs your gifts. It needs your unique contribution. Don't deprive the world of the incredible person you were created to be. There's always room at the open table. There's always hope. There's always a reason to rise and try again. Embrace the life that's waiting for you. Embrace your calling. The world is waiting. This series is brought to you by the Open Table Outreach, where you're always welcome. If you found this video helpful or encouraging, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new release. Feel free to share it with your friends and family. You never know who may need this message today. And remember, you are loved, valued, and never alone. There's always room at the open table.